Well, this is a 2010 760 Li, and I'm doing the camshaft sensor changes, and they are in the very back. You have to take off this the throttle part here. You unscrew these four and you take that off, and then there's one, and then the other one is way in there. I got the screw out. You have to reach your hand back in here to get it out, but I've got that screw out. I got the new one in back there, but I have to put the screw back in. But at least there's nothing on the internet about where these frickin' camshaft sensors are. So here they are on the very back of the engine, just next to the what do you call that? The spark plug coil here.